Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have: a wired controller or a wireless Xbox 360 pad requiring a receiver. Plug in the wired USB and wait for driver installation. Windows may install automatically. If you have a wireless pad, plug the Xbox 360 wireless gaming receiver into a powered USB port and install its driver when prompted. Once done, make sure batteries are fresh or use a rechargeable pack, because the controller must be powered during the pairing process. Next, focus on pairing. Press the sync button on the wireless receiver until its light blinks, then press the guide button on the controller and the small sync button at the top. You will hear confirmation and the receiver LED will stop blinking. If Windows does not recognize the controller, open Device Manager, find the unknown device, and update the driver or point to the downloaded Xbox 360 PC driver. Make sure to retry syncing after any driver changes. To finish, open Control Panel Devices and Printers Game Controllers and choose Properties to test all buttons and sticks. Calibrate if needed. If the controller is unresponsive, repair it, replace batteries, or move the receiver away from interference. Metal and wireless routers can block signals. For wired controllers, try another USB cable or a USB 2.0 port, because some pads don't enumerate correctly on USB 3.0. If nothing works, reinstall drivers and reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.